Today is December 14th, 2022. That time in the morning, right? And what you're seeing on the screen here is when I won one of these via eBay, which is a Sony CFS-W50. I won that way back when. There it is. Anyway, so much for that. And that was way back when. And then here I've been looking for these models in my computer, and I've got these bunch of files here. So here is, I can't remember which one this is, but it doesn't matter. Just going to run through the pictures I have of it. So here's the cream colored one, but I don't have it out here with me. Here, I took these apart and I changed the belts. Oh, it's going to freeze up on me now. There it goes. So, took that one apart. Okay. Anyway, so much for that one. Get rid of this folder and go here. There's another one that I have, which I opened up in 2019. So here's a power adapter that goes with it. This is a black one. Okay. This I want to point out that it doesn't have the little button over here on the corner. It's missing that button. So this is an American model. Alright. Anyway. There's the front of it. The back of it. Like that. These have line in. People don't quite understand it. These have, see that? Line in. Okay? I'll show that to you in a moment. That's the other end, the bottom. Doors come out and you unscrew them and like that. Okay. You know, the tuner comes completely out, so anyway. So there we are. We're back out of that. So get rid of that folder. Then we've got this folder here. This is the broken one, which I'm playing right now. So open with this one here is broken. I have this. This did not come with a. This did not come with the antenna at all. Okay, and there's no battery cover for it. All right, and there's the top of it, and that front, that end, and take it all apart. And anyway, so just couldn't get it to work. The tape decks, that is. Right, so that's it there. Get rid of that folder, right? What we got here? Well, that was it. Okay, so next thing, I made a video here. When? Well, according to this, 1 day ago, but maybe 2 days ago, made that video. So now I want to white out, okay? White out, come down to here, okay? Now here is the broken one. It's playing the radio right now, and it's even in stereo without an antenna. There's no antenna because what I did was I soldered a wire to where the antenna goes here and ran it around the inside of the radio so we get stereo. Okay, so this works, all right? I'm not going to go there, but it all works. You know, all that stuff works, and it has line in, and I'm powering it with an adapter. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that, and then we have this red one here, which is a JDM model, Japanese domestic model, and it has this little switch, which I just don't know what that does. Okay, but this also has, again, the line-in deal, the headphone jack, and whatever else it says here on the end. Okay, and this one, this here just spins. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to take the tuner out of this one and put it into this one, or just take the bit, because as you may have seen in my pictures that you can take the tuner part completely out with the string and everything attached, and just take it off of this one and stick it in this one, and then I'll have a good one with a good tuner. Now this one here, I don't have batteries in it because I'm not going to play it, but both tape decks don't work, the radio does work, and that's how we're going to go there. Okay, so, but it's complete, it's got the antenna and all that. And now that's another thing I point out. See, this one has a yellow tip. Okay, there is the yellow tip for the antenna, and it's a full size antenna. Okay, this one, which is what I'm going to take apart today, does have batteries in it. It does not have the full size antenna at all. It was removed or whatever, so I put one on here today. So it doesn't have the little yellow tip, but it does come out and, you know, go in and be long enough and all that. So, and that's what I want to show you here is that, okay, so now I have batteries in this. If you unplug the line in and turn the radio on,
what I'm gonna do,
you can get
I got
to play the radio. Okay, so there's a radio playing like that. All right. Anyway, I'm not going to go there. I'm not here to play the radio. But you take your jack and you plug it in, the 3.5mm stereo jack there. See that there? Take that and you stick it into the line in. Okay, and then you get your auxiliary device, whether it be your phone or whatever, and you plug it into the, you know, the headphone jack or whatever, and you hit play. This is that happy demonstration tape, right? So, see, playing. So you can now use this here to play that and do whatever you want because you're using the line in. Now if you flip it over to that's off or tape mode, okay, it's got tape, high-speed dubbing, and then of course the radio, okay, but that's via the line in. You unplug this, right, it goes back to the radio. That's how that works. So this is the switch, if you will, to go from your auxiliary source to your radio. That's how this works. So that's why I like this model. And it takes, you know, 6 C batteries. Here, let me show you. These won't fall out because they have little catches. And those are Zentner batteries that I have in here. Okay. But I'm going to take this model apart here and put new belts in both decks. And hopefully it'll all work well for me again. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show you here. It's just a preliminary. Oh, here, let's turn the tape off. Unplug this, okay? Let's play the tape. Alright, so you hear that? There's really nothing to hear, but and then of course over here, wait. There, you can hear that mode. And this one is hard to hear, but it's there, it's working. Just needs a belt. Okay, so that's what, yep, there go the batteries. Alright, great. So now it's not going to work anymore. Alright, the rest what we're going to do is we're going to take these apart and repair it. And I got new belts, and I just wanted to show you all that. Okay, so here's this one. Like I said, I'm going to use the red one here, and I've got 2 more. I've got a black one and a beige one, but I don't have so much room on the table here to put up all these radios. Okay, so this is going to be my one I'm going to cannibalize to make this one work because it's nice and pretty and red and has the battery cover and has the full size antenna and so on and so forth. And this one here, well, once I if I can fix the tuner string on this one, I'll keep this one intact, but if I can't, I'll use this as my donor. But this has been a very good working model. Heck, I might even still sell it if someone's interested in it. All they will have to do is find the little tuner part. Alright? Okay. Anyway, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. thanks for watching. Yeah. So bye bye. There's the thing to say goodbye. Bye bye.